I just had to let you know you're.
So good day everyone. I am Brian Adam Sorahan
I am Emmanuel Mama.
and for our think pair share activity we selected questions which is the number 1, 2, 4 and 10. So we will share our ideas and experience about the role of science and technology in our daily lives, communities and future as public administrator. Go.
Okay, question number 1. How do you science and technology affect your daily life as a student, family members, and member society?
Science and technology are very helpful in my daily life as a student. I use my cell phone and internet to search for information and communities with my classmates and submit school activities on time. Technology also helps me to learn faster because I can watch educational videos and read different sources online. At home, technologies makes communication easier, especially when I need to contact my family. As a member of society, I also use technology to know what is happening in our community and the country.
Yes, as a future public administrator, we should understand how important technology is in and disaster management. The barangay can also use digital maps and databases to identify areas that are at risk. This can help official plan evacuation and provide assistance to people who need it most. Technology cannot solve every problem by itself, but it can help the government respond faster and make better decisions.
Question number 2. Think of a problem in our community that can be addressed to science and technology. So, one of the problem in our community is the lack of quick communication during emergencies and heavy rain, flooding, and other disasters. Science and technology can help through early warning system like weather monitoring and mobile communication. For example, the barangay can use social media, text message, or community alert system to inform residents about the possible dangers. And this can help people to prepare and move to the safer place.
I agree that's why we should check information before believing or share it. We should also respect other people, privacy, avoid posting harmful information. As a future public administrators, we should practice honesty, responsibility, and proper use of information. If technology is used ethically, it can help people and improve public service instead of causing problems.
Go.
Question number 4. Describe a real life situation where technology has both positive and negative effect on people or society.
So, a good example is social media. It has positive effects and negative effects. So first, we have positive effects. So because it helps people communicate and share the important information quickly, and it can also be used by government to announce program services and emergency information. However, the negative side is social media can also have negative effects because fake news and misleading information can spread easily in the negative side. So, ito.
I agree because technology makes many tasks easier and faster. For example, instead of going to a library, we can search for information online. We can also use online application for schoolwork, communication, and even payments. However, we should also use technology responsibility because too much use of social media can affect our studies and time with our family. For me, science and technology are helpful when we know how to use them properly.
So, question number 10. As a future public administrator, how can you contribute to nation building through the responsible use and promotion of science and technology? So, my answer for that is, as a future public administrator, I can also use science and technology to provide better and faster public services. I can support the use of digital system for records, communication, and public administration. I can also encourage people in the community to use technology properly and responsibly. Most importantly, I should make decisions based on correct information and the needs of the people.
For me, I can contribute to the nation building by being responsible, honesty, and open to new technology. I can help promote digital services that make government programs more accessible to citizens, especially those in rural areas. I should also make sure that technology is used fairly and that group is left behind. As a future public administrator, we should remember that technology is an only tool and it's our responsibility to use it for the benefits of the people.
So now we're going to share our key takeaways on about the role of science and technology in society and national building. So first, going to
So
Ma'am.
I learned that the science and technology can make our daily lives easier and important public service. They help government provide faster and more accessible service to citizens. Technology can also help in education, healthcare, communication, and disaster management. As a future public administrator, I can use technology to better understand and respond to people's needs. Therefore, science and technology are important tools improving our communities.
So for my key takeaways, I also learned that science and technology must be used responsibly. Technology can bring many benefits but also cause problems such as misinformation and fake news. As a future public administrator, I should promote fairness, honesty, accountability, and responsible use of technology. I should make sure that technological progress benefits all citizens, including those in rural and unsecured communities. In this way, I can help use technology for better governance.
Ticket, 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 ticket.